namhlanje nje program igcwele ngibonga iunity engibona la anginazi inhliziyo zinjani kepha namhlanje I can confirm we are united in spirit nizwa ngomoya iyo le unity esiyidingayo ukubhidliza lento yomlungu once sabambana kanje saphahla ngamandla iyoyiwela lento njengoba seyiqalile ukuyiwela so ngiyabonga kakhulu namhlanje kube ilanga eli very special alignment yanamhlanje of the planets ibonile la siyambonga uNuthi ngoba namhlanje lento this thing that we always hear about the portal opening we never witnessed. We saw it today. It was a pyramid there. The alignment of the stars like this. Remember, ukuthi namhlanje the alignment of the star setting, the moon and earth. So it's a very powerful time for us for manifestation. So as ulenduza umamela isigubhu phinda lento oyifisayo your wish iphinda ubone ukuthi mawuphuma la angeke ikulandele na because that is why we are here to come and align so that we gain the strength to complete the liberation ngoba sikafiki it's not yet uhuru kusamele siphahle ngamandla sathi the last time ngeke size simdubula umlungu noma iqala lakhe linzima kepha somphahlela azambele ayiphelele thokozani makhaya umphahlo ibhomu yethu siyanqoba ngomphahlo sinqobile ngomphahlo makhaya noma sikhala sithi hey mhlambe sinyukile from lenzansi kepha last year bebengayivumi yonke lento bebethi tendable funi la manje kancane ngomphahlo bayangena endleleni bazogcina bangenile endleleni into esiyibonga kakhulu basakhela umgwaqo bongangeneki lapha laba baziyo ngenzalo yelanga manje uyabona ukuthi umoya usibeka la kumele sibe khona and asikholwa sibelieve we know it will happen asikho kule believe siyazi thina ukuthi masiphahla kuzoba njalo so ngibonga nje isikhathi nalabo abafinyelele la thina sithi ihamba ngesambulelo asiyinto yonke umuntu le kepha izokubamba la ukhona ngesentence eyodwa ignite something within you and you are never the same manje ke sizibongelele ukuthi thina we are given that opportunity to spiritually liberate black people because liberation can't start in the physical. It has to start in the spiritual. Sikhumane nokhokho bethu namadlozi ethu. In that way we are able to defeat the enemy. Because asizi ku enemy ngebhama. Kepha siza ngomphahla. Into angayazi. Ilapho makhehla namhlanje ke futhi iprogram esijabulisa kakhulu. Siqale university. We call it the Kemet University of Truth. The motivation was the wish of Ubaba Credo. Always wanted to set up a university of truth. So manje ke wadlula emhlabeni angalifezanga lelo phupho. we are here to continue umsebenzi kabab Credo, so that we are able to achieve whatever that we achieve. Kunzima. We are operating under difficult circumstances. It's like sise China. Sizama ukuncenga ama-China ukuthi asivumele siphefumule singabantu abamnyama. Ngoba lo mzila abasinika wona, the path they are giving us is wrong. It's leading us nowhere. They are uninterested in going back and research where we were before we colonized, because that's where the value is. Not after colonization. Sebesitshela ngabo Nyerere, abo Nyerere, bonke lama president of Africa who have disappointed us. There's no value in that history. Forget about that history, because the history, your colonization. Go before we're colonized. That's when you get the value. Your value as a black person. Baloko bakubheka, baloko bakuthuka bathi umnyama. Umnyama. You must say to them, I'm full of divineness. Because this black color oibonayo la, if ilethwe is the divine substance of the universe, we call melanin. I say melanin, nikabo. Ushilu babu Sebi. What you know is melanin is carbon. Yini umsusa wayo yonke into sesibuya manje ku African creation story. Le qanda okhokho bebekhuluma ngalo yiliphi? I-carbon makhasi. Umhlaba wonke, the whole universe, ikhavarishwe i-carbon. Inkanyezi lezo zibonayo, it is that state of noon, the waters of abyss manifest into all the stars that you see and everything that we witness on a daily basis. So therefore, it's important for us ukuthi singabi half-hearted in our knowledge system. Singabi half-hearted. Mele sikhulume ngokugcwala. And uzoyikhuluma kanjani ungayifuni? Uzobamba hafa ngithi. Maybe talk about African spirituality. Usitshele ngamathambo. Sidlulile kuleyo area. Amathambo are the last. Kepha kunomsusa onikeza isambulelo kulomuntu ophulayo. You need to understand those elements. You need to understand lauma those. That's the difference between idlozi nethombo. Idlozi is forever eternal. La likhona ngesikhathi sokhokho bethu lisekhona namhlanje. You can still connect to that vibrational frequency. Kuthiwa bathi umdali usiflathele. Umdali akaze asiflathele. Yithi esidala the wrong station. Umlungu ukunikeza istation esi-wrong. Manje mawumdala lesakhe, okhokho bakho are not connecting with you. Kufana namagama. Mawubiza okhokho bakho, you've got to invoke the necessary vibrational frequency ukuthi bakuzwe. Ungathi kubo good evening kokos. May I approach? Fellow Sunday, hi. And uyisho ngesitswana, ngesivenda, nangesisuthu, ngesishangane, nangayo yonke into yethu. Because that's the original vibrational frequency. Abayaziyo. Ungafani nalawo bathi, hayi ungaphahla ngesilungu. Uyazi. Ungaphahla kanjani ngesilungu? In the first place, English is a dead language. The language of spells. You don't know cases they were coming up with these white people when they were creating English. Do you know what English has no, all the European languages have got no script? Do you know that? You are the only person with a script. Sikhona, it's written, it's there. Written in Medu Nature, what we call our classical language. So, onke lama language akhona about English, about French, about German, bachontshela kuwe. If I am non-lendo, there's no Western civilization but African civilization. Abo Pythagoras na bonke le imfemfane lezi zifundiswa obani? Zifundiswa obani? They were taught by you. It's just that when I saw ukhohliwe bakcindezele to a point. Remember ukuthi umlungu, when they came, they attacked our spiritually first. But athi inkosi was the symbol and the custodian of our culture. Bayifaka uzankosi. Yini izankosi? Aha. Babamba inkosi, basitshela istory sokuthi inkosi appreciated ama bangles. But ufuna ungitshela uyibona into ezoqhelaza. Uyayibona iseza bayiletha ukuthi kwayi lento kumele ngiyifake. Amakhosi bawafaka. And wanqotshwa inkosi first. The king was defeated first. To those wicked kings, they ended up spreading Christianity amongst their own people. So that's the difference. Umthwalo siuphethe thina as abantu ongamelanga siudlulisele kule ngane encane. Kumele sijike lento. Even though i-government yala kepha thina we have a right. Ubani ongasivimba ukuthi assembly kanje? Akekho. It means ukuthi yonke into mesingayenza ngalendlela the Republic of South Africa can go down in just 1 month. Angithi siloko sifisa ukuthi si import uTraore. uTraore to come and finish. Yitho kumele siqede. Labantu laba basiphethe bayisitha kithi. Bayisitha ngoba badle ushevu womlungu. They've eaten the white man's poison. That's why they behave the way they do. There's no black person who's still pure who can then allow a situation whereby his own people are the worst in terms of the economic, rank. Who can allow that? Who's a sensible person who will allow that thing to happen? You can only be if you are no longer feeling the pain of your people, it means your DNA has been messed up. Umnyama njengesikhumba kepha izenzo. Labantu bane-key to liberate us. They have a key to support our African New Year, but they won't do it. Why? Because umlungu akakasho ukuthi ivumeni lento. Until uRupert avuma aya lapha ePower FM athi no, I believe in the African calendar. That's when they will do something. They'll be rushing to make deals with us. But now, because we are on our own, akuna Rupert, and asimfuna uRupert. Khona umuntu ocishe wangikwatisa la mina. Ngizwe nje bathi uze nomlungu. Ngisho umoya wami waphuka. Ngoba akekho umuntu omnyama ongeza nomlungu la. Asifuna umlungu la. And the organization ne movement akumelanga ibe nomlungu. Mele sibe pure kanje. Ngoba that's how all these organizations were infiltrated. Bayangena vele bakhona bafika babuye eFrance bathi hayi no siyayithanda lento eniyenzayo esinama funds athi asidingi imali yenu. Ngoba once bafaka imali siphelile. Nami sengicule ngithulu. It means that baqedile ngathi. So iKUT, Kemet University of Truth, inama graduates. Now you see, launch immediately after in New Year last year. So namhlanje bazophothula. We are proud ukuthi sinamathwasa. Huh? Intellectual twasas. Ngoba my subject, ama course bebe when the first course was African creation story. You need to understand that, song. I wish all of us can have this enlightenment. And the icon, we've been running for almost a year now. So abantu can get in touch with us lapha kulentuzo so that into ongayikhulumi nje emakhoneni. You must be able to command the content. So that uyabona they are now an arm extension of us, because now we know ukuthi we have trusted people who have demonstrated comprehension in the content that we are dealing. Makuvela mathenda ngoba zovela. Soqala ngapha. Angibana ama certificate. Makuvela ithenda ukuthi mele kuyofundiswe Natal, Limpopo, whatever. Asikwazi, we can't be in many places at the same time. So kumele sibe nabantu esibathembayo ukuthi angeke lo muntu ayakhuluma uAnpu kanti uchaza uHero. Uyathola leyo nto. Siyazi ukuthi mesikunikeza lelo thuba ukuthi kube uwo ophethe contract yangale angeke usihlase. Ukhulume into engekho esingakufundisanga yona, because abantu yazi lento esifundisa lapha asishintshanga lutho. Akuna philosophy kaMkhulu, akuna philosophy kaTifo, akuna philosophy kaNdlovu.